Morning. Today we're gonna start at the bridge because yesterday I went and turned the cameras off and I got my first tarpon. Check it out. Alright, just got my first tarpon. Look at that. I didn't have the cameras on, but here's the first tarpon I've ever got. Pretty sweet. Throw that in there just for the record, for the journal. Today you got Mom in the boat back there.
Slowly?
Reel it in slowly. Cast it out, reel it in slowly.
Wait for it to sink it.
A little bit, but not much. Oh, I just got tapped again. Come on. Oh, I got tapped again. Why are they not smoking it? There we go, fish. What did I get? Oh, a little snook. All right. It's not a bad little snook. A little snook. No, it's a little snook. I might push 18, 20. Oh yeah, I gotta go. Save the boat here. All right, boat saved. See ya, bud. Gone. All right, let's do that again. We're trying a new little stretch. This little cut in here, I've always been afraid to go in because how shallow it might be. But tide, I think, is high enough that we can do it. If not, I'll be push pulling. I feel good about it. I think we're gonna make memories in here. There we go. Oh, is that my bait for tonight? It is, guys. It is. Just gotta get him in the. Oh! There we go. Fish. Fish. Oh, feels pretty good. All right, guys. We got a fish on the back of the boat. What do we got? It's fighting weird. Big enough, but it is fighting weird. Whatever we got here, let's just take a look. We have got a gar, nice gar. All right, so we'll see a gar before it comes off. It's gonna come off eventually here. Yep, there it is. Sorry, I couldn't show you the gar. Oh, that was fun. All right, I am not even going to show you that one. I was just out for 2.5 hours and got squat. And that's everything I threw there. The river was far from barren. There was tarpon coming up, there was gar coming up, there was snook all in these mangroves that I'm about to hit. And glass minnows, I think they're glass minnows, little tiny schools, and that's what they were going for. So if you know what I'm supposed to be throwing when that happens, let me know, because I threw all of that and got squat, and that was downright depressing. But so I'm not even going to show you. So we'll see you on the next session. Okay? Ciao. And on this next session, I'm just going to tell you about it because the audio is pretty crap, and it's hard to put a story together when you're sitting there fishing with live bait. But anyway, Mom and Dad and I went out really early in the morning and caught bait. We caught these greenbacks off the Venice Pier with sabiki rigs. I think they're greenbacks. You can correct me if I'm wrong. There were millions of them around. There was big schools, big clouds in them. The birds were after them, and fish underneath were going for them.
Look at them, look at them.
Fish underneath, bigger fish underneath, making them jump, yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see them.
Yeah. and they were a lot of fun to go out and catch. After that, we grabbed Dad's buddy Tim and went out to fish with our live bait and see what we could catch. We started out anchoring in a deeper hole. We put Tim on the bottom with a sinker, and Dad and I were both with a float on top. And we got nothing but crab action to start.
You know what? You know what that is then? Yeah, it's crab.
Oh.
That's why that slow, hard pulling, nothing there.
So we pulled up anchor and went to a different spot. This was a bit of slightly shallower, but still a hole. Anchored up on a ledge and put the baits out back. And in this spot, we got a slight bit of action. We got a ladyfish from Dad, almost. Oh, ladyfish. Yeah, bait time, bait time. I think Dad's got a ladyfish here. Oh, come on, bring it. Oh, again with the lost ladyfish. I can't get a break on those things. And I had a little action on top with ladyfish, maybe gar, going after the baits, but they never really took it. So we
I just got picked up.
lifted up anchor again and headed right to the shallow spot, like 3 feet deep, right off the mangroves. This is the part where I tell you that Tim had trouble hooking fish on a circle hook, so we switched him out to a J hook. But for the non-fishermen, if we're boring you, put this on a loop and use it as a sleep aid. But Tim quickly proved to us that he was right. Yeah, got one. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, maybe ready? Let's see. Shouldn't need the net. Yeah. Hang on. Yep. Nice redfish. Whoa!
Perfect.
Nice.
Excellent.
That's how you can tell the
Pretty
redfish?
fish.
Yeah, in the shape. Orange color.
Yeah.
It's a drum. He's gone. Nice.
Right. We ain't skunked.
Sweet.
Yeah. Right on.
You know what? I'm fishing in the wrong way, man.
Yeah, you should be on the bottom too, maybe.
Yeah.
Should I bring it in or? Yeah, maybe I should bring that in. Oh yeah, definitely bring it in. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. I'd say it's about a 20
Oh, that's
inch red at least.
Looks like a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice
Oh,
redfish.
nice redfish.
Really nice red.
Oh.
Awesome. Oh,
what a
that is a beauty.
Slow down.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yeah. Take it easy.
We don't have to.
I'm right here.
Oh, he's got him. Oh,
Nice.
What a beauty.
Nice
What a
redfish.
beauty.
Look at that. Woo.
Oh, that is nice, Tim.
Oh, man, that's the biggest
That's
fish I've ever caught.
That's
Awesome.
a gorgeous one.
I'll run almost 24. All right, there we go, Tim. Nice fish. All right, you won't get caught out of the video this time.
Hold on.
Just want to take a quick measurement. 23 inches.
Just pull it back, yeah.
Is he swimming? Nice.
All right.
That worked
Well, you
out
know
well.
what? That alone would work for the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that was great.
Jeez,
I'm glad I changed hooks.
Today, well, let me tell you, I've been skunked a few times in a row here, and I have scrapped a few videos here just to spare you from watching me not catch fish yet again. You missed out on a lot of witty conversation, but sorry about that. And today I am going to do, I got a ladyfish. I had to buy it. A sucker. Let's do the full head. So I decided I'm going to do the opposite of all my fishing instincts. I'm going to pull a Costanza here. Whatever my fishing instincts are, I'm going to do the opposite. So, artificial lures. Nope. I'm going to do the opposite with cut bait. Cover miles of mangroves and make 1,000 casts. Nope. The opposite. Got the anchor down. I'm going to chuck this out here and wait. Because if all my fishing instincts are wrong, the opposite must be right. That's a catfish. Sail cat, it is. Really good sail cat. Sail cat, 3 pounds or so. That's what sucks about around here. You gotta sift through those guys. We're in a little shallower. Look at that. That is redfish snook territory right there. Eat. Alright, he's on. What do we got? I don't know, it's a pretty quick turn there. I don't know if this is a sail cat. It's got better moves. Sail cats can be pretty crafty though. It's got better moves than a sail cat. Could be wrong though. Oh, I was right. Look at this. We have our target species. Come here. Oh, all right. There we go. Wah. All right, there we go. Redfish, that's what we're after. Target species achieved. I think that's, I'm not gonna measure it. I think that's about a 20. I'm pretty sure that's about a 20. Smile for the camera. Gone. Awesome. I could kind of tell with the fight. Like quick jabs, quick turns, a little different than the sail cat. All right. Oh, there we go. Fish on this one. Yep. Silly little hardhead. That there is the garbage fish of the river right there. Oh shit. Oh, ow, ow, watch. Don't get that. I got spiked in the foot. Ow. Right on my big toe. Ow. That's gonna hurt later. Alright guys, I think I gotta call it. I'm running out of light here. Wish I had more time. Because I think that would have worked with a little more soaking. I think we could have got into more redfish. A couple garbage fish, one redfish, and one catfish spine in the toe. Not an important toe though. I don't think this one goes to market or follows anyone home or anything, so I think we're okay. Okay? Ciao.